Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. What you think of yourself is a lot more important than what other people think of you. So, think positive, stay positive. Here we are going to start our day. Before we start, everyone, take your notebook, pencil, all the essential things, because now you all have to write with me. I hope everyone is ready with stuff. Now tell me, what is your birthday? Or when your birthday comes? You can say, ma'am, 15/8/2001, 2013, or 27 June. So, what indicates that? In which month you are celebrating your birthday? Yes, my dear students, today we are going to learn and write months of the year. First of all, everyone, read date and day in this corner. Write today's date and day. Now, write the heading. MONTHS, months. OF, off. THE, the. YEAR, year. Months of the year. I am waiting so that you all can complete. Now, write H-E-R-E, there. A-R-E-R, 12, 1 to 12. M-O-N-T-H-S, months. I-N-E, O, Y-E-A-R, year. There are 12 months in a year. Write with a very good handwriting. First letter must be capital. Leave some space between two words and make a full stop at the end. Now everyone read with me. There are 12 months in a year. Leave one line and then write. January, January. I hope everyone is writing with me. January, January. Now repeat after me 2 times. January, January. January, January. Leave one line and then write February, February. I'm waiting. See the spelling and copy it properly. February, the second month. February, February. One more time. February, February. Leave one line and then write MARCH, March. Everyone copy the spelling properly. MARCH, March. Now repeat after me 2 times. Say loudly, huh? MARCH, March. MARCH, March. Leave one line and then write APRIL, April. Normally, when we are having regular school in this month, what you all have? Your examination. So, complete everyone. Repeat after me 2 times. APRIL, April. APRIL, April. Leave one line and then write next one. MAY, May. While you are writing, your handwritings must be good, huh? MAY, May. In normal time, vacation starts in this month. Huh? Repeat 2 times. MAY, May. One more time. MAY, May. I hope everyone is writing with me, huh? Till now we have completed 5 months' name. Tell me, which are there? Check in your book. January, February, March, April, May. Leave one line and then write June, June. This is the 6th month of the year. Write properly with a very good handwriting. June, June. Schools normally reopens in this month when you all come back to school after enjoying your Diwali vacation. Your summer vacation. So, now repeat after me 2 times. June, June. June, June. Leave one line and then write July, July. This is the 7th month of the year. I hope everyone is writing. Now read with me. July, July. One more time. July, July. Leave one line and then write August, August. August, August. The 8th month of the year. I hope everyone has completed writing work. Now repeat after me 2 times loudly. August, August. August, August. Leave one line and then write. September. September. Everyone, write down properly. I'm waiting for you. I hope everyone has completed. Now look in your book and count. Which month is this? This is the 9th month of the year. September. Now read 2 times after me. September. 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 Leave one line and then write. October. October. The pronunciation is October. 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 This is the 10th month of the year. Read 2 times after me. October. 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 Tell me, which is your birth month? Leave one line and then write. November. November. Everyone is writing? Very good. Check your handwritings. Is it good? You are following the lines? Very nice. Now check. Which month is it? It is 11th month of the year. Children's Day comes in this month. On which date? On 14th of November. Your day, Children's Day. We celebrate this in the memory of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Repeat after me 2 times. November. November. November, November. Leave one line and then write. December, December. Everyone, write down. This is the 12th and last month of the year. After completing this month, a new year is starting. So which festival oftenly come in this month? Yes, Christmas. When it comes? On 25th of December. Everyone, read 2 times after me. December, December. One more time. December, December. So my dear students, today we learn and write name of 12 months of the year. Find out your birth month, and yes, in your homework today you all have to write name of 12 months of the year. As I told you, at every time to repeat after me. I hope you all have memorized it well. So my dear students, enjoy the lecture. At your home everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.